In this video, I'm going to show you how to photograph this beautiful looking effect with just one light and a diffuser. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to know about this is the diffuser is really important, and the bigger the diffuser, the better it is. And I'm going to be using this, plastic diffuser and also a soft box. So I'm going to give it space right now. So we're going to be using this Godox softbox, and also the light I'm using is my AD200 Pro. And what we want to do is just to shoot through from here down into here, and it's going to, light it up. And because there is a diffuser in it, it's going to control the brightness and make it softer so that our glass can be more visible. And that's just the whole thing. Check out how I edit to get a beautiful contrast in my next video.